What's up everyone, welcome to the Thai life. So today I'm going to show you how to do a black and red ombre. So what is an ombre? Well, y'all probably see two color blended on a set of nails, but a lot of time y'all probably see white, nude, or pink. Black and red is very rare. This client right here, the last time I did her nails, we did a Bad Bunny theme. We went in with several different color acrylic ombre. So today she wanted black and red. So I was like, well, let me check your nails. I look at her nails and her nails like really on good. So I didn't want to take it off. I want to protect her natural nails. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shave it down. I'm going to use a coarse bit, maximize the speed, shave it all the way down. Shave it all the way down just right enough where you don't cut off her fingers. We don't want her fingers to come off because that defeats the purpose of why she gets her nails done. So we shave it all the way down as low as you can so that when you apply a brand new coat of acrylic on there, it's not going to be thick. Why would you want the nail to be thick? You don't want that nail to be lethal weapons. Come on. I mean, bitches do get into a fight, but you want her to pass TSA too, you know? But anyways, so as I shave it down, I end up start prepping for her nails, you know? File all the natural nail color oil off her nails. So after that, I'm going to go in with the color acrylic black. So when it comes to doing color ombre, I do recommend that you guys will be very smart about picking the best color ombre to blend it with. Sometimes the clients can get out of control, y'all. You will get some clients out there. They be saying like, hey, I want some blue and red ombre. You as a nail tech, you got to think twice. You got to think really deep. You got to think about like, wait, does red and blue blend very well last time? Because the last time I blended something like that, it did not look very blended. You know what I mean? Or sometimes the client be like, I want a white and black ombre. That is doable, but you gotta think twice because those colors are hard, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm not saying you can't do it, but sometimes you want to make your job easy. Why would you want to make your job hard? So like after I shave everything down, I prep the nails. Here I go with the black color ombre. Okay, I'm gonna lay my black first. I'm gonna lay 3/4 of the nails. And y'all probably ask me, why am I putting at 3/4 of the nail, not the whole nails? You lay it 3/4 so that when you lay the second different color on top of that black to make the blend, you're going to have enough room to drag that color down. That's why you lay 3/4 of the nails. When I lay the first quarter, which is the black right now, I want to make sure my surface is nice and smooth. I want to make sure that the black is able to cover up the old color acrylic that was shaved off. Y'all saw earlier, they got those white color acrylic as her base. So we gotta make sure we lay the black nicely, all right? I'm telling y'all, by the time y'all finish this video, y'all gonna do a red and black ombre like nobody's business, y'all. And if y'all able to execute this kind of color ombre, y'all just taking your nail level to the next level right there. And the client's gonna appreciate y'all because y'all don't understand. A lot of people don't do color ombre like this. That's why y'all see a lot of people walking out with this pink and white ombre. But when y'all can bust out black and red ombre, speak less, honey, speak less. Sit back, relax, and let me do the show. You know what I mean? So look, once I lay the black nicely, as y'all can see, I gotta make everything nice and perfect. I'm picky, y'all. When it comes to doing anything with the nails based on my client, I'm picky. So y'all see how I just flipped that paper? Now I don't get that black debris into the red. So here goes the biggest part to blend, y'all. The hardest part. But it ain't hard after y'all watch this video. Trust me. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the bead where the gap is at. Okay, I'm going to test out the color right now. I'm not even worried about the blend. I'm going to just lay the first bead. I'm going to drag it down and I want to see how it blends and how well it covers up the black. Because sometimes it can blend, but it might not cover up the black. So that means you look at the red, you can see through the black. And you don't want that. So as I'm blending it, I notice it's looking very nice. And what I found out is that I'm able to grab a little bit more of the red. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it into the areas that I need. And I'm going to just drag it down, y'all. Just drag it down, y'all. I'm not playing around with y'all. just drag it down. I was impressed. Yes, I was impressed. Yes, even if I'm a nail tech for 20 plus years, I'm still impressed every minute I do the client's nails, y'all. Because as a nail tech, you always work outside your comfort zone. It's just that we make it look too damn easy for the clients, y'all. We just make it look too damn easy for the clients. That's why people looking at us, they be like, oh, you do nail, you do easy job. They don't know. They don't. Backbreaking job. Your pain, your wrist, your breathing in the chemical, just to make that one client feel beautiful. Y'all feel me? Y'all understand what I'm saying? It ain't no easy job. Yes, I was happy when this ombre coming out good. Because it's not the first time I did it, but it's just every time I do it, I want to make sure it's better than the last time. You feel me? If you feel me what I'm saying, and if y'all still listening in this videos, leave it in the comment, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel. Let me know if nail tech is an easy job or a hard job. Let me know in the comment, y'all. And if you are leaving something in the comment, might as well just hit that like button. You know what I mean? So as I'm doing this ombre right here, me and the client, we are excited. Okay? We are like, damn. Y'all see how that ombre coming out? And you know, she start click-clacking her fingers and everything. And I was happy, y'all. As a nail tech, when you see that excitement in the clients, that is exciting, y'all. You know what I mean? That's what we live for. Because that excitement just tells you that they're going to come back. They're going to give you more business. That's what that excitement tells you. All right? And as you guys can see, if we're doing this ombre, you know, when you're using red color powder, and then you kind of start brushing the acrylic, smoothing it out, sometimes the red smears onto the skin. And that's why you see she got kind of those red, looks like her cuticles is like beat up, but it's not. It's just from the red. That you can clean it up by just using like monomer, and you can just wipe around her cuticle. But you don't have to do that, because that might irritate and dry out those cuticles, right? You can just go ask the client to go wash their hand, and they should be able to wash off that colors. You know what I mean? But if they don't wash it off, that's on them. That just shows you that they don't wash their hand very good. You know how many clients don't wash their hand good after they get their nails done? You know how many times I tell the client, hey, go wash your hand and dry them really good? They go wash their hand, they walk back, their hand is soaking wet. I say, what happened? We ran out of napkin or something? Or they say, oh no, it's just that's how I wipe my hand. I say, you nasty. Here's the napkin for y'all. For real, y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I see it all. But back to this ombre. As y'all can see, the blend is nice, right? You know that client's feeling it right now. So let's continue on with the blend. Let me show y'all some. You know, I pick up a little bead. It's like I'm filling in the gap, y'all. And at this part right here, what makes me very satisfied is really seeing that red blends very nicely. But the main thing I'm very happy about is how the black and the red is covering the old acrylic. That is very important. What I just did is called a color recorrection. It means the client, she had color acrylic on, and what we did was, instead of taking off the nails, we shave it down, and we just kind of give her that nice look, like a brand new set again. And I kid you not, it looks like a brand new set from here, y'all. You know what I mean? But the reason why I want to share this with y'all, because I was so excited. I was like, man, I can't believe how easy it is. I can't wait to show the world how easy an ombre. Because the reason why I want to show y'all this, because I want y'all to make money. Like you know, not a lot of people do this kind of set of nails. And if you as a nail tech able to do these kind of set of nails, you get to add one more service to your service, right? But not just that. You can upcharge the clients for this set of ombre. This set of ombre right here, y'all, I charge $75, y'all. $75 for this ombre. It took me an hour and a half. That's because we chit chat, we gossip, you know. I can go faster if I just keep my mouth shut, but I don't do that. Me and my client, we got things to talk about. Me and my client, we go deep, you know what I mean? We talk about family, relationship, which sister's getting cheated on, which friend's gonna get hate on. I mean, all of that. We get really deep, y'all. But you know, I just want y'all to really add another service so that y'all can make money. Come on, $75 for what, an hour and a half? It's not that bad. But I'm telling y'all, this set right here, the longest part was shaving down the old acrylic, y'all. That is why a lot of nail tech hate doing backfill recolor correction, y'all. I don't even know if I'm fucking saying that shit right. But what I'm trying to say is, that shit takes time. But it's alright. You can charge the client for that time. I didn't tell you to do that for free. But the client should know that. Like, look, if you have a client and she's coming to you and she's asking you to do a color, red, black, ombre, come on, y'all. She already know you good. She already know you good. Because if you ain't good, she ain't asking for that. The client should know the nail tech by now if they're asking for that shit. You know what I mean? So you go on and get that money. You know what I mean? You go on and make yourself look good. Because I'm telling y'all, there's not a lot of nail tech who do that stuff out there. I don't see a lot. You know what I mean? But anyways. So look at the ombre, y'all. So after I finish this ombre here, right? I'm going to try to protect myself. Because sometimes, I don't know if the blend's going to look good after you like use the electric file. So I'm going to go in with the clear powder, y'all. Okay? Clear powder. This one is called Speed Clear by Young Nails. And I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. Okay, I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I cover it nicely. But I'm not going to put it thick though. Okay? Y'all need to get that down. Like, don't make everything thick, y'all. These nails don't need to be lethal. Okay? These nails don't need to kill nobody. Okay? These nails just there to make them feel confident and look beautiful. They're not weapons, so don't make them thick. So I laid this clear on there so that I can protect the ombre. When I'm using the electric file, I shaved stuff off and it did not damage the ombre, the blend. You know what I mean? That's what I do with dark color ombre, y'all. When I'm doing the pink, the nude, I don't even need to do that. Okay? Anything that's light colors, I don't need to do that. But when y'all dealing with some dark color ombre, y'all need to do that. Because if y'all go too hard around the cuticle, y'all gonna shave off that red. And that cuticle ain't gonna look round. Because my goal is to make that cuticle look round. You see how round that cuticle is right now, y'all? The goal is when you use the electric file, you gotta make sure it is perfectly round, okay? Y'all cannot have no bumpy ass cuticles. Man, if them cuticles are hella bumpy, might as well just say goodbye to that set. Okay? I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all. I ain't trying to sugarcoat nothing. Okay? Everything matters, y'all. The side, the corners, the edge, everything matters on a set of nails. Okay? So cover it up. Help yourself out so you don't get lost in trying to like figure, oh man, I shaved too much on one end. I gotta go ahead and come back and add more color of this. Oh, I shaved. You don't need to go do that. Just protect, add one more step and get on with it. You know what I mean? But you can tell that ombre is coming out fire right now, y'all. And can you all imagine that once this video is over, y'all ass is gonna know how to do a red and black ombre. Come on, man. I'm trying to hook y'all up. Y'all know that. Look, it's like what? 11:36. I'm trying to do this nice voiceover, trying to teach y'all and show y'all some love. Y'all better give me some love back. Share this video to some friends and family or something. Or give me a like and give me a comment. And I appreciate y'all. I just want to say, if y'all new to my channel, welcome. All I do is talk about nails, talk shit about nails, teach people about nails, love my clients about nails, share my life stories. And if y'all not new to this channel, thank you for the support. Thank you for coming back. And you know, after I finish the ombre, y'all, we're going to go with the shape. You see how I just tap that? Make sure it's nice and rocky, you know what I mean? I'm going to shape it up, y'all. Look, let's get that shape going. When it comes to the nails, y'all know the shape is everything. If y'all don't do the goddamn shape correctly, ooh, y'all in trouble, because you know that shape is everything, okay? Y'all can got the prettiest nails, but y'all shape is, we ain't going there, okay? Y'all shape gotta look right, okay? On point. So as I'm shaping, y'all know how my file, look at my file, y'all. Everything I do is straight. I don't curve my file. Straight, okay? Everything y'all do gotta be straight, okay? That's how you do. But if y'all working on the side of the nails and it ain't straight, don't worry. That's where the electric file goes in, y'all. You gotta know how to use the electric file, y'all. You know what I mean? You got to know how to use the electric file. I don't care what you say. I hear nail techs be telling me like, oh, I can shape without the electric file. I make it flush to the cuticle. Look, I don't care what y'all say. You cannot flush the cuticles with a hand file. Huh? I have never seen that. I mean, I tried that when I was in beauty school, but damn, my wrists start hurting like hell. How the hell you gonna shave close to the cuticle with the hand file? That's like when nail was started before they make the electric file, man. Make use of the speed. If y'all don't know how to use the electric file, practice, y'all. Practice gonna help you know how to use the electric file. That's all I gotta say. Because the hand file can only do so much. The hand file focus on like the edge, you know, the corners. That's what it focuses on. It doesn't focus around your cuticles. You know what I mean? You're going to spend a long time. That's why some of y'all be telling me y'all do like a 4 or 5 hour set on a simple set. Don't do that to yourself. You know what I mean? So after I file this, y'all know how I get down ready. I'm going to go in. I'm going to focus on the shape. I'm going to clean under the nails. And at this point right here, y'all, my client, she just happy, y'all. She be like, bitch, hurry up. Stop talking. I need to go home and show my husband these nails. I'm not kidding. That's how she feels right now. You know, I can't lie to y'all how she feels, because it's looking good right now. And what I'm more excited about that is y'all gonna know how to do this. And if y'all still listening and watching this video, I appreciate y'all. I know it's a long video, but what can I say? I gotta show you the step of this magic black and red ombre, y'all. You know what I mean? I care about y'all so much, you know what I mean? Like, every day I wake up, I read the comments, you know, I see what people wants to learn, and I put that videos together, you know what I mean? I work like 4 days a week, working on my clients, making them happy. I take that, what I did for my clients, I bring it on this YouTube channels, and I share with y'all. You know what I mean? So I hope y'all learned something. Like, I hope y'all enjoy what I produce. I really appreciate y'all. And I hope that if y'all ever like do a black and red ombre on a client and y'all want to show me the pictures that you did, send it through my Instagram, y'all. Send it through my Instagram to Thai Life. And look how it looks, y'all. That is how the ending product looks. Red, black ombre on a backfill, y'all. This is not even a brand new set. Thank you very much, y'all. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Give it a thumbs up and leave any type of comment, y'all. I love your comments. Thank you very much and have